Hi, I'm Robert Farrell. We're still in the middle of COVID shutdown, but I just got an exciting delivery today. It's called the Grillie. It's a total game changer and can make a gourmet grilling master, barbecue master out of anyone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up to my roof deck here in New York City and I'm gonna share with you how to cook with imagination. Okay, so we're all set to put the food inside the Grillie. We got our Grillies here. We sliced up some peaches, some pineapple, string beans, no slicing required. We sliced up some mushrooms, and we have some organic chicken breasts that I've sliced and diced. So we're gonna put this inside the Grillie, and I'm gonna share with you how to basically make a gourmet cook out of you, barbecue chef. Okay, so we're all set to start grilling. The next step is to spray it with some olive oil, and we'll have perfect perfection food in about 15 minutes. 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna take my fork here and turn them. Just like that. So let's see what we got here. It's been another 5 minutes. Just give it another turn. Okay, we're almost ready here on our final go around here. I'm just gonna give it a final turn here. Okay, drum roll please. We're all set to come off the Grillie. So let me share with you how this is done. I'm gonna take this and put it over here. Now I'm doing this in real time to show you something. I can actually, if I just wait a second or two, I can actually be able to pick this up with my bare hands. Look at that. Not even 20 seconds off the grill, and I can pick up with my bare hands. So now we're ready to plate it. I will put the chicken down first, and then we'll top that off with the string beans and peach. And there you have a gourmet dish that you can't do on a regular barbecue. So back at my apartment, I'm ready to enjoy my gourmet grilling meal. I just tried a piece of the chicken. It's succulent, moist. Everything tastes well. This can easily feed a family of 3 to 4 people or one Robert. So again, it's all possible because of the Grillie. Barbecue with imagination.